Another common issue is the wiring. The wires leading to the sensor can get damaged, frayed, or the connector itself could be corroded or loose. In some rarer cases, the problem might not be the sensor or the wiring. As driving with this issue can put unnecessary stress on other engine components. If both the sensor and the wiring check out, if you've confirmed that the TDC sensor is faulty, you'll need to replace it. This is a job that can be a bit involved, depending on your model. On many 4-cylinder Honda engines, the sensor is located behind the upper timing belt cover. This means you'll need to remove the valve cover and the upper timing cover to access it. While you're in there, it's a perfect time to inspect your timing belt and water pump. If they're due for replacement, it's highly recommended to do it all at once, as you've already done most of the labor to get there. This is a classic while you're in their job that can save you a lot of time and money down the road. For V6 models, the job can be a bit more complex, as you might have multiple sensors and tighter access. Always consult a service manual for your specific year and model to get the correct procedure and torque specs. Once you've replaced the sensor, clear the codes with a scan tool and start the engine. The light should stay off, and your car should run smoothly again. So, to recap, P1361 is a no-signal code for your top dead center sensor. It's usually caused by a bad sensor or wiring. It can cause no start, rough running, and stalling. To fix it, inspect the wiring, test the sensor, and replace it if necessary. And seriously consider doing your timing belt service at the same time if it's due. I hope this video helps you diagnose and tackle that P1361 code. It can seem intimidating, but with a logical approach, it's a very manageable repair. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.